What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of the modern man. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some beard wash for you guys. This is by SheaMoisture. This is probably about my third time using it, so I'm actually going to film this for you guys on camera, talk about it, and see if it's worth it. Let's get into it. If this is your first time checking out Arccway for the very first time, make sure you guys subscribe in the section down below. Hit the thumbs up, hit the bell notification so you guys get the latest content updates on the channel, and let's begin this. SheaMoisture. I never had beard wash before, never used it, never thought of ever using it. I use black soap to wash my beard, and for people who don't know, that's like an African soap you can use. I use Dove soap for my beard, and I never really had a specific beard wash. I just kind of used my shampoo. Wash right here. I'm gonna put it into my beard. I'm gonna wash my face, get this all nice and moist, put it in my hand, show for the process. Let me stop talking. Let me go do it. Okay, so I just washed my beard. I'm gonna apply some of this beard wash into my beard right now. See how it goes. So, as you see right there, I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can. Clear white gel, dime size and a half. I'm gonna put it into my beard. Circular motions, just like it says. Very, very soapy. It smells like almonds. I noticed with myself, under my beard, it gets really dry. So I'm basically gonna focus under there a lot because I wanna get relieved of the irritation and not feel that pain anymore, you know, of the dryness. This is nice, this is nice, this is great, this is great. I feel like, you know, I feel good, I feel good. Let me know if you guys ever use this product. I wanna know you guys review, how long you guys been using it, or if you're thinking about using it, put in the comment section down below because I'm about to go wash my beard. Half of my content actually got cut off, so I'm just re-recording my last bit here. So just to finish off what I was saying about the beard wash, I do recommend it for you guys to check it out. Go online, go on the website, go check out their products and other products they do review. I have reviewed some products on this channel from SheaMoisture as well, but all in all, the SheaMoisture beard wash is a great product. I do recommend it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yet again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching Arccway. If you guys want to check out more content, subscribe down to the channel down below. You guys get the latest updates on my latest videos that do drop. And yet again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.